We're at the secondary marker, just past the hillside. The coordinates are locked.
Copy that. Sit rep confirmed.
We're running low on fuel and the blizzard is getting worse. I can't reach the supply depot. You have to send help now.
Yeah, we're both okay, just cold. But the digging attempt failed. We couldn't reach the equipment. We need backup extraction.
We are at the base camp now. I'm tracing the access road up to the ridge. The slope past this point is unstable. We need extraction immediately.
All right, copy that. We're here. The snow slide is unstable. We've got an animal trap near the ridge. We're running a two-man tethered system. Gear up, let's move.
Harness is secured. Stretcher checked and rolled. Ready for deployment.
This one's set.
And the tray is secured. We're ready.
The winch is good. Whoa!
The gully is unstable right here. We need to avoid this sector.
Confirmed. Marking the target at the head of the ravine.
Keep rescuers roped and prioritize the penguin chick once the slope is safe.
Are you the caller?
Yes, I am. The cabin is just over that ridge. This is the last known location, right here by the ravine. Multiple fracture lines and unstable layers. This slope is live.
How much rope to the gully edge? We've got 50 feet. Deployed and secure.
This ridge line is too exposed, Commander. It started to crack.
Understood. We'll use the lower path. It converges here safely. It's all right, we're almost there. Just a little further.
Anchor secure. Proceeding to the ridge.
Team 1, move out. Command a team, maintain spacing. Wind speed's increasing. Prepare to anchor.
I've got a solid anchor point here. Proceeding with caution. Keep the line tight.
I have eyes on the target. The penguin chick is trapped in the drift below the dark rock. Keep the line taut.
Anchor set. Threading the rope. Confirmed. Put tension on the line. Cable hooked up. We are ready for tension. Status report. Chick located. Condition critical. Shivering. Requesting green light for immediate extraction.
Control to Rescue 1, you are clear to lower. Proceed with caution.
Anchor set. Check the tension. Solid! Moving to the line. Hauling hard. Set the line. Hold fast.
Control, Sector Charlie. All points checked and locked. System is green.
Easing back now. Belay is secure. Keep coming.
Heads up below, more slough coming down on the right.
Confirmed. Staying tight to the wall.
Audio features strong wind.
They made it. We got him. Get the blanket on the chick now.
Buckles released. Let's gently lift and secure the airway.
Copy that. Looks stable for transport.
Dispatch, patient vital stabilizing. Proceeding to Wildlife Center, ETA 15 minutes.
She's stable now, resting comfortably. Thank you, everyone. You did a great job getting her here safely.
The chick is home now.
He's stable. The chick is stable. We honestly didn't think you'd make it through the storm.
We're ready for transport whenever you are, sir.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without you.
Come on, guys, squeeze together.
Smile for the camera.
Oh, watch out for that snow.
Perfect, that's the one.
Stay safe out there, guys.
The chick is safe, and the long day is over.